Behind these doors, dozens of students are fulfilling their dream and becoming chefs.
Ever since I was a little kid, I remember seeing my mom in the kitchen, and I would always want to help her out. Cooking has always been something that I've been interested in. When I lived with my brother, I would cook for him and his family, so it's definitely something that I've always been interested in, has caught my attention.
It's a fast-paced and exciting career that is growing quickly. The Bureau of Labor Statistics says that employment of chefs and head cooks will increase by 10% through the year 2026. And that means there's plenty of room for you, but you'll need a solid education. At this leading culinary school, it all begins here. Let's take a look around the San Diego Culinary Institute.
The San Diego Culinary Institute is committed to teaching people how to cook. We do not focus on recipes, nor teach recipes. We teach techniques that all recipes are made of. We're very focused on working with our students while they're going to school and also long into the future.
The reviews and everything that from the other schools that I looked into and other places around the country, this was definitely something that stood out, and I felt it was the best fit for my needs.
The first step to enrollment at SDCI is to apply, and there are just 4 steps in the submission process.
The 4 steps on the process are writing an essay, 1 page, talking about your goals and your passion for the field. We need 2 letters of recommendation from professionals, no family or friends. We need your resume, we need your high school diploma, GED, or official high school transcript.
To make your essay stand out, you need to portray yourself in what would make you excel better than other candidates. I wrote, my experience with the family business, my experience through the military, the discipline, what my capabilities are.
Once your documents are submitted, this is where you'll take your entrance exam, which covers high school level reading comprehension and math. Then it's time for the interview with Chef Lewis, San Diego Culinary Institute's program director.
We are here to provide the education, to do everything we can to help the student be successful now and long into the future, but it does require the students' active participation in their educational process. We ask questions. I want to find out where the student's coming from and why the student really wants to be here.
When the decision has been made, you'll get a letter of acceptance a few days after your interview with Chef Lewis. You'll then be fitted for a uniform and told when your orientation day is to begin, which is the first day of class. Are you ready to become a chef?